Hey loves, welcome or welcome back. My name is Jeannie. This is Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks. If you don't know and it's your first time here, checking me out, well, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. You are here just at the right time because you still have time to get dibs on my September giveaway. I do monthly giveaways here. They're huge, lots of amazing products, and there's still a few days left to get your entry in. I will be picking the winner this week, and then once that giveaway closes, I will be opening my huge 500 subscriber giveaway. So lots of giveaways going on around here every single month and every single milestone. And also BoxyCharm and Ipsy makeup hauls. I just created this look. There is a full tutorial on it. I will link it in the description box below, along with the September giveaway video as well. As far as the makeup tutorial, you guys, I have had an extremely challenging week with my kids, and that is why I have not been on, and I feel awful. I feel guilty because I said I would be on my days off, Tuesday and Wednesday, doing fall looks, and I wanted to so bad, but I have a 2-year-old that is in the midst of awful, terrible twos, a 1-year-old that is teething, and you guys, I've gotten no sleep this week, and it has been extremely challenging, but I still feel guilty for not being on. I don't like that. I feel like I'm letting you guys down, but I did come on and create this look, and I will link it in the description box below if you want to check it out, but I will warn you, I'm a little scatterbrained in the video. It is not my best tutorial video, so I apologize for that. But what we're going to do right now, these are actually my favorite videos to film, my BoxyCharm and Ipsy's. So if you follow me, then you know for the month of September, Ipsy sent me the completely wrong bag. The only thing that was right was my one add-on, which was a $280 cream from 111 Skin, the Nocturnal Recovery Cream, Nighttime Cream. $280 that stuff retails for. That was my add-on, and the add-on was in there, but everything else was completely different than the bag that I was supposed to get for my September Glam bag. I emailed them, and they did go ahead and send me the replacement bag with all of the products that I was originally supposed to get. So I'm going to show them to you, but you guys, guess what they did? They sent me another one of the creams. So the bag was wrong initially, but my add-on was in there. They sent me another one with the new bag. So how awesome is that? I cannot be mad at them. They fixed the problem. They emailed me back immediately, like I emailed them that night, and by the time I woke up the next morning, I had an email in my inbox telling me they would send me a replacement bag. They were sorry, and then they ended up sending me another one of those creams, and those are expensive, so I am super geeked for that. But I will share with you the products that I was supposed to get originally, and first, we do have a 2-pack sheet mask from Papa Recipe. So I love sheet masks. I do them all the time, so I will definitely get use out of these. It does come with 2. One is purple and one is blue. I wonder what the difference is on these. So one of them, well, first of all, it's written in like Korean. Okay. Wait, right for skin. They say the same thing. Okay, so one of them... Okay, they both say that they're a Bombi, Pate, and Poly Honey Mask Pack. They say the same thing. So, I don't know. But anyways, I will definitely get some use out of those. And next, I actually did use this product today in the look that I have on. This was my choice item. I have really been into cream products lately, and this is a cream blush. It's called Wet Blush by Sophia and Mabel, and it is in the shade Brunch. It is absolutely stunning. The formula just is beautiful. It's almost like a mousse. So it's not like a cream, it's like a mousse. And it just literally just melts right into the skin. I love this, and I had a feeling that I would really like it, and that's why I picked it. I was so bummed out when I got the wrong bag. And then next, from Lovecraft Beauty, I did get a highlighter. Actually looks really pretty. I have a very subtle highlight on right now. I think I'm going to pop a little bit of this on and see how it looks. We'll just pick up a little bit. It is a pretty shade. This is the shade that I normally really go for, kind of like, it's got like a champagne, but then kind of like a little bit of pink iridescent in there as well. I love the iridescent. Just kind of do a little bit on my Cupid bow. It's pretty. Whoops. So, okay, there is that. And then next from H2O, we have a hydration sensitive gel cleanser. Now, I love getting these little cleansers and lotions like this because they're perfect for travel. I literally have the skincare aisle in TJ Maxx in my bathroom for my at-home skincare, but I love putting these in my purse, like the lotions, and being able to take the cleansers and the moisturizers and stuff like that, treatments, with me when I travel, which lately has not been very much because we just had 2 kids in a row, 2 babies in a row. But travel will come back. We will be traveling, and then I will be ready with all of my little things. So definitely like getting those. And then, oh gosh, yes, this was another thing that I was bummed out not to get. So I actually have the big one of this, and I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to just have another little backup. It is the Pearlesce Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream. This is in light. I absolutely love this stuff. I have the big one. Oh, you know what? These are different. This is the Ageless Glow. This is the Radiant Glow. But they're both BB cream. So this is a serum, it says. That's weird. I use it for like well, whatever. It works. I love it. And so now I've got this one to try too. So, okay. I love that brand, and I really do love the one product that I have. So I am certain that I will probably like that one as well. And then I did have a couple add-ons also that came. So this was a little duo. I think this was one of like the $3 duos, and it did come with a little Anastasia Beverly Hills shadow primer, like a little mini. And then it did also come with a Araceli, it's just like a little duo, a little eye duo. I love these, again, for traveling and for keeping my purse. So really pretty fall themed. And then I've never tried the Anastasia primer, so for the eyes. So I really wanted to give that a try. And for like $3, why not? And this was another little $3 duo. Now, I love these little... I came across these through Ipsy, and they're the Ibby. And these are little highlights, but look at that. Look how stunning that is for fall. I really, really, really like that. It's like a burnt orange. Super pretty. Let's swatch it. It's like a burnt orange color. So it is supposed to be a highlight, so it's not going to be like super dark, but very pretty. I really, really like that. Yeah, this is one of those brands that I never knew that I loved until like my little subscription addiction. Woo! I just cannot hold on to things. And then this one is just a really pretty kind of like banana champagne color. So, ooh, look at that one. Yeah, that's like a blinding one. That's gorgeous. So these will go right into my little collection. And then, of course, I did get another one of the 111 Skin $280 retail value Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. So extremely excited to have 2 of these now. Love these. So yeah, that was my Ipsy September Glam Bag Take 2. So hopefully next month they'll get it right, and then we'll have to send me 2 bags. But I gotta be honest with you, I'm not mad about it. I got a whole other bag of stuff, and then I got this, and then I got 2 of these. So I really can't be mad at it, can I? So that's going to be it for this video. And I cannot wait to see what comes in Ipsy and BoxyCharm for the month of October. October is my favorite month of the year because once November hits, then we're starting talking about looking at snow and all of that here in Michigan. And I do love the summer, but I've got like ginger-skinned kids, so I have to be really careful how much time I spend out in the blazing sun with them. I just feel like October is like my soul month. Like all the cozy vibes, the beautiful makeup that you can get away with. I love it. I just love it. So I'm excited to see, because it's my favorite month of the year. I have really high hopes that my BoxyCharm Premium and my Ipsy and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus are going to just be the best. So we'll see, won't we? Well, I guess I'm gonna let you guys go for now, but until next time, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.